I'm Craney from Perth Adventure Families. This is Jaden from the Life of Jay, and this is Teesh. And we're about to do a bit of an adventure, aren't we?
Yep.
We're going to do some caves, full driving, and all sorts. As you can tell, Teesh is already all excited, and Alea, not so much. Let's kick it off, eh?
Alea.